This lesson's on the impersonal passive periphrastics with dative of agent. Whew! And this is in our Caesar reading 4.24.2. So this will look very familiar. Our soldiers had to jump down from the ships. Now this is how we'd say it in English, but in Latin it's really phrased completely differently. Here's how it's phrased. It'd be for our soldiers. Okay, so you can see right off the bat, that's going to be dative. Had to jump. It was necessary. Necessary to jump down from the ships. Same there. So you can see how this really got switched around and it became passive where it was active. So our soldiers, for our soldiers, this is where the dative of agent comes in right here. So we're going to take soldiers. Down here you've got the vocab miles, militis, masculine. So we're just going to put this into the dative plural. Militibus. Always do the noun first, then do the adjective our. Look down here at our vocab. Our, noster, nostra, nostrum. So stem is right there. N-O-S-T-R. And let's see what we've got here. N-O-S-T-R. Put it in the dative plural masculine, nostris. Adjective agrees with the noun in case, number, and gender. However, its ending is determined by its own declension. And now, had to stand, so it was it was necessary to jump. I'm on the wrong one there. Necessary to jump. Jump down is right here. Decilio, deciliere. This is an I-O. So we're going to take this, jump down, de, sil, e. So far so good. Now an E, because it's an I-O. Now we add the ND of the gerundive, because the passive periphrastic uses the gerundive ND, and we're going to make this neuter, nominative, singular. Deciliendum erat. It was necessary to jump down. Deciliendum. In the waves. Oh, I'm sorry. Jump down from the ships. Ex. You know how to do this. Just put an ablative there. Navibus. Militibus nostris deciliendum erat ex navibus. For our soldiers, it was necessary to jump down from the ships. Ex navibus. Same here. Our soldiers, militibus nostris, had to stand. Okay, let's go down here. Stand, consisto, consistere. So, here we go. Chop this here with the E in question. So, this is the same. And then, consist. Okay, so far so good, right? How much further do we go? We add the E, yes, and then think gerundive, ND, ND, consistendum, erat, form of the verb to be. So the passive periphrastic here is the gerundive plus some essay, some form of the verb to be. This happens to be the imperfect. Consistendum erat in fluctibus. All right, we've got fluctus down here. Just put that in the ablative. Perfect. All right, one more. These are all in the same sentence. It's amazing. Our soldiers, again, militibus nostris in the dative, just like up here. Same here. All right, they had to fight. So we go down here. Pugno, pugnare, pugnavi, pugnatus. So we know that the stem of this guy is pugnatus. na, because it's first conjugation. So we go that far for sure. Pug na. And we want the gerundive nd. Add the nd. And again, make it neuter, nominative, singular. Pugnandum erat. And what's our prepositional phrase here? This little chunk. With the enemy, cum hostibus. So I kind of did those prepositional phrases, ex navibus, inflictibus, cum hostibus, rather quickly, because that's the easy part. The hard part is this impersonal passive periphrastic. It's impersonal because there really isn't a verb. Deciliendum erat. It was necessary to jump down. It's kind of like saying, it's raining. There's no it there. There's no there there. Same here. Consistendum erat. It was necessary to stand. Pugnandum erat. It was necessary to fight. And then the dative of agent.